during meditation, what we see is there is a change in a signal in the brain that is the kind of signal that Wolf Singer described in the oscillations in this high frequency range, the gamma range of brain oscillations. And if you look at the right-hand graph, we have the novices and we have the long-term practitioners, and you can see that during the meditation practice, there is a much larger increase in this gamma signal in the brain of the long-term practitioners compared to the novices. In this experiment, we have long-term practitioners, and they are engaged in meditation practice, and we have them rating with a keyboard. So they have a keyboard which they are pressing during meditation, and they rate on a 1 to 9 point scale variations in the clarity of their experience, Selcha. And so what we see is that through their experience there is some variation. They may begin during meditation to start at a low number, like 1 or 2 or 3, that we see here. And then as their meditation deepens, it can go to 5 or 6 or 7, and so on. So it changes during the meditation period. The question, though, is how does the variation, the changes in the brain oscillations, relate to the changes in the experience that the practitioners report in the clarity of their experience? And so here is one example. Now, the red line corresponds to the rating that the practitioner gives for the clarity of his experience during the meditation. So as this red line goes from low levels to higher levels, the clarity increases. But we encourage the practitioner to report with total honesty about their experience. And so if there's a dip in the clarity momentarily, they should tell us that there is a dip. And so you can see here the red line goes down and there's a dip, and then it goes back up. And there's some variation over the course of the meditation. The blue line is the gamma signal, the signal from the brain. And what we see is really a remarkable close correspondence between the variation in clarity and the variation in the brain signal that we record. So as the clarity goes up, the brain signal goes up, and as the clarity goes down, the brain signal goes down. And for this kind of research, this is a very close correspondence between a first-person report and a third-person measurement. This is not unique to just one practitioner. We have seen this pattern in every long-term practitioner that we have studied.